With the evolution from primary artificial weaving to weaving technology, there are textile tools based on innovation, and its empowerment has greatly promoted the process of human civilization. Kingtex is a powerful brand of loom established by Guangdong Kingtex Weaving Equipment Company Limited and Guangdong Fengkai Machinery Company Limited. Focusing on the weaving equipment industry for more than 30 years, Kingtex has always been committed to creating more value for customers and helping the development of the industry with a leading weaving technology. As a famous brand in China's textile machinery industry, Kingtex is driven by every achievement. Only strong manufacturing strength can consolidate the quality foundation. Kingtex keeps pace with the times, comprehensively upgrades the industrial level, and builds an intelligent plant. We establish a modern production base, introduce automatic production equipment, and advanced processing centers at home and abroad, and equipped high-end assembly production lines to speed up to realize high output with large equipment scale and meet market demand at any time. In the whole process of production, the digital management system is used to monitor all links of production in real time. The CMM laboratory shall be set up to ensure that the products pass the authoritative inspection of the National Textile Machinery Quality Supervision and Inspection Center in accordance with the standards of quality management system and strict quality inspection process. In order to realize the continuous updating, the iteration of products, Kingtex has gathered a group of senior technical teams in the industry to conduct in-depth research and development with a rich industry experience. We have cooperated with many well-known universities for a long time to provide customers with cost-effective solutions. At present, Kingtex has independently developed a number of patented technologies, such as the transmission of the welt insertion mechanism, salvage device of Loom, warp tension collection device, etc., and participated in the formulation of many national textile industry standards, such as flexible Rapier Loom, warp stop bar for electronic warp stop motion of textile machinery and accessories, and has undertaken a number of research and development projects, obtained a number of patent authorizations, and injected a steady stream of strength into the application and development of domestic textile machinery. Rapier Looms, Jacquard Looms, Terry Tower Looms, Industrial Fabric Looms, Label Looms, Velvet Looms, Airjet Looms, and other products have broken through the traditional laminations and have more intelligent electrical control system, which is more convenient to operate and more energy-saving and efficient on the whole. The trouble-free operation time is up to 3,000 hours, and the service life is 10 years or more. Kingtex has always served the world with excellent quality and won the unanimous praise of customers over the years of development. Adhering to the mission of weaving a happy life with you by science and technology, Kingtex will be dedicated to becoming the best weaving equipment expert in the world. In the tide of times, Kingtex Loom.